Are electric vehicles good for the environment? Look at these articles. A study done by Norwegian University states that EV emits around 3,608 kilograms of CO2 before coming to the road, and due to this, around 36,000 people die. This is triggering the greenhouse effect. You might argue that EVs are better for the climate than gasoline engines, but they are not 100% perfect for the environment. Now this is where Toyota comes into the picture. They presented a solution, an engine made up of hydrogen that releases water vapor that you can drink. This engine has so much potential that our old friend Toyota can replace the entire electric vehicle industry.
The auto industry is feeling the pressure to deliver the next generation of cars. As technology continues to advance, automakers are...
The Biden administration is pushing Americans to transition to electrical vehicles. While they claim cars can drive clean, the process to assemble those cars, not so clean.
Potential to replace the EV industry? Is this a joke? It's predicted that by 2030, worldwide EVs will be 70%. Then how can this engine replace the revolution of electric vehicles? This engine works on hydrogen, and it is 2 times more efficient than EVs. In its prototype stage, it has replaced Tesla's highest-selling Model Y. If you have a Tesla Model Y, then you need to charge for a whole day to achieve a journey of 500 kilometers. But this engine can accomplish the same in just 5 minutes of refuel. If I say picture Toyota, you might picture these cars. And it's true, Toyota is generally interested in gasoline cars. So why has it suddenly shown interest in environmentally friendly cars?
For me, when the cars are damaged, it is as though I am as well. I, more than anyone, wish for Toyota's cars to be safe and for our customers to feel safe when they use our vehicles.
He said he feared the speed with which Toyota had pursued the growth of its business.
The answer for this is a ban on its normal cars. You see, Toyota was the highest-selling car brand between 2005 to 2015. However, for 10 years, they had some problems with their tailpipe emissions that they didn't improve. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency launched an investigation into their tailpipe emissions, which didn't turn out well. As a result, the U.S. government charged Toyota with clean air violation charges and fined them an amount of $18 million because they manipulated their carbon emission data. This whole situation significantly lowered Toyota's sales, and they also incurred a massive loss. With this new evolution of electric engines, they also started working on different methods under a campaign named Beyond Zero. They collaborated with Yamaha and made a hydrogen combustion engine. So, let's see how their engine works. In normal fuel cars, energy is generated in 4 parts. First, air and fuel are mixed in a tank. Then, a piston compresses it in an upward direction. Third, a spark plug gives it ignition. Finally, after combustion, exhaust from the fuel is released. But in Toyota's master strategy, they compress hydrogen and air, and the rest of the process is a normal engine process. It seems like a simple change. They simply replaced fuel with hydrogen. It is simple, but no one has ever done it before. The interesting thing about this is that while a normal engine provides an efficiency of 20%, these H2 engines provide efficiency of 40 to 50%. So how is its efficiency determined? Well, by its residue. In normal engines, fuels don't burn completely, so some waste material like smoke is left behind. But hydrogen has highly energy density, so it burns completely and produces more energy. Overall, this engine is highly efficient, which gives it the potential to replace the entire EV industry.